Feliz Navidad, Merry Christmas, or Happy Holidays, wherever you're watching this from. I am in London visiting my wife's family and just wanted to make a slightly different video today. Not about sales, not about breath work or cold plunges, just about reflection and clarity, because the end of the year, especially Christmas, is one of the best moments when you can slow down. And if you use this moment well, it can change your 2026. So most people jump into the New Year's without even asking, what do I want? Why do I want it? And what massive action am I taking? So if you can focus on this and be very honest with yourself, you can make a very big shift. If you don't answer with honesty, then you can carry on the same negative patterns into the new year. So there are three main questions that you can ask yourself to start the year powerfully. And this has helped me grow, not just financially, but also emotionally. And even better if you do this with a pen and paper, because it has a deeper connection with your brain. So number one, what are the three things that you didn't achieve from last year? So ask yourself, not from a place of judgment, but from curiosity, because that way you can raise more awareness on what didn't work. So in my case, if I'm very honest with myself, there were some family goals that I wasn't able to achieve. I won't get into the details, but it's something that I definitely want to improve moving forward. Also, I wasn't as consistent with YouTube as I wanted to be. My intention was to put out one weekly video, and in reality it came down to once every 2 weeks or sometimes once a month. So that's something I also want to improve. And financially, even though I had a really good year, I wasn't able to get to as many one-on-one clients from my mentorship program as I wanted. I still helped quite a few people, but I know there's always a next level. So again, I want to help more people and more clients in my one-on-one mentorship. So instead of avoiding those truths, write them down, because awareness is power. Number two, what are three things that you did achieve last year? What went great? And this is not about ego, it's about reinforcement. For example, what habits worked for you? Where did you gain some positive momentum? And when you identify the things that went well, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to double down on what's already working. And progress compounds when you build on your strengths. And number three, what are your main goals for 2026? Not 20,000 different goals, just three main goals, three priorities. So who do you want to become? How do you want to feel? What actually matters to you? For me, I've already written down my 2026 goals and I revisit them daily. And here's the key, write them by hand. I highly recommend that you do this with a pen and paper, because there's something powerful that happens in your brain when you write your goals by hand. It creates a deeper emotional connection. And once you write them down, put them somewhere visible where you can read them daily. And you get immersed, even subconsciously, into the energy of those goals. Also, here's a powerful exercise for you. Write a letter from your future self. Imagine it's December 31st, 2026, and you've already achieved the goals you wanted. You stayed consistent. And write yourself a letter. What are you proud of? What are you grateful for? What did you learn about discipline and patience and courage? Imagine your future self could talk to you and bring that wisdom into the present. Because when you have that clarity and that wisdom, it becomes easier to stay consistent. So, I'd love to know, what are your goals for 2026? Drop them in the comments below. Remember that putting it out there, it creates an energy in the universe, and it also creates accountability. So if you want to be part of a supportive community of other people who are also growing, improving, increasing their income, enhancing their health and their wealth, I have a free group. It's called Wealthy Sales Pro. You'll find the link below. It's free to join. And I do weekly Q&As and meditations, so check it out. Anyways, have an amazing Christmas. Enjoy time with family. Make it count. And have an amazing New Year.